The way you move, the way you groove, it turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Danica. It's always a pleasure to have you over here watching my videos with me. And today is another I want to call it a hair review, but another hair video, and it is from yet another AliExpress company called Jazz Star Official Hair Store. I think that's the name. All of their direct links to the store and to this unit will be listed in the description box below. And this is their 99J 28-inch 150 density 13x4 transparent wig, and all the deets and everything will be further down in the video, so just watch me do my thing with the installing of this wig. And I will say another disclaimer, as you guys already know, I am not a professional when it comes to laying wigs. I am still very much learning, so go through the process with me. And yeah, details to come at the end of the video.
To explode, why you causing problems? Girl, it's not easy. Everybody watching, too hot for TV. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, live me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the number. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She up with business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All with business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh. You showing off, yeah. Huh. Now everybody go know how you so. You're showing off, yeah. Now everybody go see. They find out for free. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the bumper. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She have we business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh. Everything, all we business out on the road. Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Eh eh. If you know, yeah, then you know, yeah. Eh. We all on the ground, yeah. We all in it down, yeah. We up on the story. It's Savannah Juve morning. Juve morning. Everybody coming in. Eh. We ready to go, yeah. We gon' make them jump. We gon' make them turn up. We gon' make them whine. We gon' make them free up. It's the face of Bacchanal. In the street, but they call this carnival. I want you to know where everybody.
All right, so I've had this unit for a little bit and wearing it off and on for a pretty decent amount of time, so to say this is a real review will be very much true. The hair quality in itself is not the best, but once you wash it often and treat it and take care of it, it will do what it's supposed to do. as you guys can see coming up, I'll try to curl the hair. The curls did not come out very well, but I guess if you have a curling iron, it will work better for you. Yeah, the hair doesn't shed. It's not thin. It's pretty full. It's true to length. The lace is definitely not transparent. But yeah. What else? What else would I say? As I was saying, if I had to rate this unit out of 10, I would give it a strong 5, because it's not horrible nor it isn't the greatest. It does what it has to do for the price that I paid. And with that being said, I don't have many complaints. So yeah, keep watching. As you guys will see, I'm gonna attempt to curl the hair right now, and I failed miserably, but I ended up getting a curling iron, by the way. And yeah, the curling iron did what it had to do. Do not try to curl it with your flat iron like me, unless you are well versed in this area. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and also subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.